Hi, Math Explorers. How are you? I'm Joy Gallardo, and today we're going to dive into one of algebra's most useful shortcuts, the cube of a binomial. If expanding expressions feels confusing, don't worry, I've got you. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to read, understand, and apply the formula, step by step. Let's get started. What is a binomial? First, let's understand what we're dealing with. A binomial is a mathematical expression that has two terms. For example, the quantity x plus 2 or the quantity of a minus b. When we cube a binomial, we raise it to the power of 3, meaning we multiply it by itself 3 times. So, the quantity a plus b times the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a plus b sounds like a lot. But don't worry, there's a pattern to make this easy. The formula. The shortcut to multiplying all that is this formula. The quantity a plus b cubed is equal to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Each term has a meaning. A raised to 3 is a cubed. 3a raised to 2b is 3a squared b. 3ab raised to 2 is 3ab squared. And b raised to 3 is b cubed. Notice the pattern. The powers of A go down, 3, 2, and 1. The powers of B go up, 1, 2, and 3. The coefficient follow a 1, 3, 3, 1 pattern. For subtraction, the quantity A minus B cubed is equal to a cubed minus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared minus B cubed. Just remember, signs alternate when there's a minus. Step-by-step example. Let's use this with a real example. The quantity x plus 2 cubed. We'll apply the formula. Number 1. X raised to 3 equals x cubed. 2. 3x raised to 2 c dot 2 equals 6 raised to 2 equals 3 times x squared times 2 equals 6 squared. Number 3. 3x c dot 2 raised to 2 equals 3x c dot 4 equals 12x equals 3 times x times 2 squared equals 12x. Number 4. 2 raised to 3 equals 8 equals 2 cubed equals 8. The final answer, the quantity x plus 2 cubed is equal to x cubed plus 6 x squared plus 12x plus 8. The quantity x minus 2 cubed. Again, the quantity x minus 2 raised to 3 equals x raised to 3 minus 6x raised to 2 plus 12x minus 8. Real life use. You can see here a 3D cube, shopping, and engineering. So, why is this useful? Well, you'd be surprised. Architects might use the quantity x plus 1 cubed to calculate the volume of a box. Programmers use binomial formulas when coding animations or physics in games. Even in business or design, cube formulas help simplify complex equations. So, yes, this isn't just for tests, it's math you'll actually use. Common mistakes and tips. Let's avoid the biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1. Don't just cube each term, like the quantity a plus b raised to 3 is not equal to a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3. That's a big no-no. Mistake number 2. Forgetting the signs. If it's a minus, alternate signs in the formula. A pro tip. The quantity a plus b cubed equals 2 helps you understand and remember the patterns better. A motivational message. So, math is more than numbers. It's patterns, logic, and structures. Once you hear it, see it, and say it out loud, it starts to make sense. So, keep practicing, keep repeating, and most of all, don't give up. You're learning something very powerful. Math is more than numbers. It's patterns, logic, and structures. Structures. Basta! Architects might use the quantity x plus 1 cube to calculate the volume of a cube, a box. The quantity x plus 2 cube is equal to x squared. Is equals to x cubed plus 6x squared.
Yeah. Okay, love you guys. Don't forget to smile. We hold it tight.